You know that feeling when you just sit down to post something and you just got nothing? Not because you don't have ideas, you have loads of them. They're just everywhere. In Notes app, screenshots, Instagram saved. That was literally me for so long. I would be like posting maybe once in an entire month, feeling behind every week, and spending more time feeling bad about not posting than actually making anything. The fix was not some big mindset or motivation. It was having a proper system, one place where everything lives, and one tool that helps me actually get it done. So today I'm going to show you how I use Claude and Notion together to plan a full month of content in one sitting. Let's get into it. Notion is great for organizing content, a full calendar, deadlines, tracking what's posted and what's still in draft, all of that, but it doesn't help you come up with anything. Claude is great for ideas. You can ask it for a month of content and have a list in 30 seconds. But then what? Those ideas just sit in a chat window, you close the tab, and they're gone. Together, they actually fix both problems. Claude does the thinking, Notion holds everything. You generate a batch of ideas in Claude and everything goes straight to your Notion planner with one click. And you can use it every month without having to explain everything again and again in the chat. Okay, let me walk you through the setup. First, open Claude in the chat section, select projects, and create a new project. You'll see two fields, what are you working on and what are you trying to achieve. For mine, I wrote something like this. After project is created, let's connect Claude to Notion. Inside your project, click the plus icon, select connectors, select add connector, search for Notion, click connect, follow the prompts to authorize access to your Notion workspace. Once connected, you'll see Notion listed as an active connector in your project. That's it. Claude can now read and write directly in your Notion workspace. Next, add your project instructions. Select Edit Instructions. This is the most step and the one that most people skip. Instructions aren't just rules for Claude to follow. This is where you paste your entire brand strategy. Everything Claude needs to know about your brand before it writes a single word for you. Now, I didn't sit down and write all of this myself. I used Claude to help build most of it. If you want to see the exact instructions I use, including my full brand strategy document, I link everything in the description. Don't forget to save the instructions. I always run two quick tests after setting up a project. Test one is the voice test. Open a new conversation inside your project and send this prompt. Does it sound like your brand voice? If something feels off, go back to your instructions and add a rule or a better example. Keep going until the output sounds like something you'd actually post. Test 2 is the Notion connection test. I will start a new chat for this test and send this. What you're checking here, did Claude find the right page? Did it correctly identify your databases and their fields names? Did it describe the structure the way you intended? If Claude doesn't find the page at all, go back to connectors, setting in Claude, and check if Notion is already connected. When Claude describes your databases accurately, you're ready to build. We're going to ask Claude to build us a content idea generator, a small interactive app right inside the chat that we can use every single week. Let me quickly explain what this prompt is doing so you can customize it for your own brand. The design section specifies the colors and styling. This is just the basic design. You can customize this to match your visual identity. You can go crazy with it. The fields section tells Claude what controls to build. For the products, platforms, and content pillars, I taught Claude pull those directly from my project instructions. That means I don't have to list them in the prompt. Claude already knows them. I also asked Claude to fill in some properties in my Notion Ideas database. If you're using your own template with different properties, feel free to customize the prompt. Now let's send this to Claude. And here it is, a fully functional content idea generator. Select your month, week, platform, and content pillars. Then hit generate. After I click generate, Claude automatically fills a week of content ideas into my Notion workspace without asking for confirmation. You can go straight to Notion and see your database is already filled. But if you want more control, you can ask Claude to show you selectable IDs first before anything gets sent to Notion. You pick the ones you approve, then push those ideas to Notion. You can add this to the prompt. A couple quick tips. First, everything the generator sends to Claude works through something called send prompt. Basically, whatever you select in the generator or in the selectable IDs list gets sent to Claude as a prompt, and then Claude does the task. It works fine, but if you're keeping an eye on your usage, just know each of these actions uses up credits, so it can add up. Second, when Claude creates new pages in Notion, Notion approves each new page one at a time. For 7 ideas, that takes a little while. That's exactly why we generate IDs 1 week at a time instead of a whole month at once. 7 approval is manageable, 20 would take forever. Oh, one more thing, AI generation isn't consistent, even with the same prompt, the same instructions, and the same model. So after you send the prompt, your result might look different from what I showed you. That's normal. Just adjust it, rebuild the generator, or tweak the prompt until you get the output you desire. Right now, the app lives in Claude, your content calendar lives in Notion. Every time you want to generate ideas, you have to switch between the two. We're tired and we have content to make, so I'm not switching apps every 5 minutes. Ideally, we'd embed the app directly inside Notion, but that's not possible yet. Hopefully someday. For now, this is the next best thing, and honestly, it works really well. What we're going to do is add a button in Notion that opens the exact chat, so we don't have to go searching through multiple chats every time. First, we need the URL of the chat to the same chat where the app lives. If you're on Mac, go to the top menu bar, click View, then click Copy URL. If you're on Windows, click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner of the Claude window, then select Copy Link to Chat. Now back to Notion, go to your content planner page, type /button and select button from the menu. Name it whatever you like. You can also add an icon, click New Action, select Open Page or URL, paste the Claude chat URL, you just copy it. That's it. Now when you click the button, the chat opens and your app is right there ready to generate. Notion and Claude are generally good together. Notion gives you the structure, Claude gives you thinking. The template I've been using throughout this video is my Notion social media planner. It's built specifically for this workflow. The ideas database, the content planner, platform views, status tracking, all of it. Everything you saw today is already inside it, ready to use. If you want to follow the exact workflow without building the structure from scratch, the template is linked in the description. That's the whole workflow: generate ideas in Claude, review and approve in Notion. I still post less than I planned, but I'm never starting from nothing, and honestly, that's most of the battle. If this was useful, please subscribe. I'm building out more Notion and Claude workflows for work and life, so see you in the next one.